In this video, we are going to look at how to activate your IIFL trading account API and how to configure your trading account with Quantiply. First thing you need is an IIFL trading account. In case you don't have one, an account opening link is provided in the video description below. If you open an account with the link provided, then you can get an additional 20% off on the monthly subscription plan on Quantiply and an enhanced limit of 12 algos per day as against 6 algos per day with no additional cost. In case you already have an IIFL account, you can skip to the next step. You need to activate the FNO segment before activating your API. To activate your FNO, you need to go to the link which is shown on the screen. The link will also be provided in the video description below. Once you've logged in on ttweb.indiainfoline.com, go to your dashboard, which is on the top right. Click on My Details under My Account and then click on Trading Preference. Under FNO, you will see an Activate button next to NSE and BSE. You can click on those buttons and activate your FNO. Once your FNO is activated, you can proceed with the API activation. To activate your API, you need to send out a mail to algo@iifl.com with your client ID, full registered name, PAN number, mobile number, date of birth, email ID, location, and the segments you want to activate. In the segments, you can mention CM and FNO. Once this mail is sent out from your registered email ID, you will get a confirmation email, a welcome email with your login ID, login password, and transaction password to your Blaze trading terminal. Once you've received these credentials, you can go to the next step. Now you need to create an API subscription. To do that, you need to go to the link shown on the screen. The link will also be provided in the video description below. Once you click on the link, you will see this page where first thing you need to do is create an account, which is under the login button. Enter your details, enter your user ID. Your user ID will be your client ID. Set a new password and click on sign up. Also note that only public domain email addresses will work like Gmail, Yahoo. Do not sign up with your work email IDs or official email IDs. Also in the password, there shouldn't be an exclamation mark. Once you've signed up, you can log in into this dashboard with the login ID and the password you've created. Once you've logged in, it will ask you to validate your trading ID. So you can validate your trading ID using your login ID and password, which you have received in the welcome mail. Once you've logged in, on the top navigation, you will see My App. Click on My App and click on Create New Application. You will see this page where you need to enter the app name, app description, and select Interactive Order API, and then click on Create New Application. Once you've created a new application, on the dashboard under My Apps, you will see a new app is being created and you will see the API key and the API secret. The API key and secret will also be mailed to you. Once you've received your API key and API secret by mail, within a few hours, the app that you just created will go into active status. Only once it goes into the active status will you be able to use this particular API. Once you've created this one application, again go back to create new application to create a new application. Once you've clicked create new application, you will come to the app details page where you need to feed in the app name and app description. And in this particular application, you will select market data API and click create new application. Once you've created this new application, on the dashboard, you will see a new app created with your API key and API secret, which will also be mailed to you to your registered email ID. And once you've received the API key and API secret, within a few hours, your API will go into active status. Once it goes into active status, you will then go to your Quantiply dashboard. Under your name, click on Broker Setup. Click on Setup under IIFL. Once you've clicked setup under IIFL, you will come to this page where you need to put your 8-digit IIFL client ID. You will also put the interactive order API key and API secret, and you will also put the market data API key and API secret which you have received by mail. Once you've fed in the details, click save, and once you've clicked save, your setup is complete. Now go to broker login, click on login under IIFL to check if your setup has been done correctly. If your setup has been done correctly, upon clicking on login, you will see that you have logged in. So that is how you configure your IIFL trading account with Quantiply after activating your API. If you have any other queries, you can mail us at support@quantiply.tech. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.